Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a and b where 2a square minus 2b square is equal to 98 and a, b are positive integer. Okay, or taking common 2 we will get 2 times a square minus b square is equal to 98, or now divided both sides by 2 we can write here 2 times a square minus b square all over 2 is equal to 98 over 2, or this 2 cancel out this 2, so here we will get a square minus b square is equal to 98 over 2 is 49, or this is a perfect square, so here we can write a plus b times a minus b is equal to, now factorizing 49 we can write here 1 times 49 times 1 and 7 times 7. Here a plus b is greater than a minus b, so this is rejected. So there are totally two cases. Case 1, here we can write a plus b is equal to 49 and a minus b is equal to 1. Now adding these two equation, this b cancel this b, so here we will get 2a is equal to 49 plus 1 is 50, or now divided both sides by 2 we can write here 2a over 2 is equal to 50 over 2, so finally we will get a is equal to 25. Now when a is equal to 25 we can write here 25 plus b is equal to 49, or b is equal to 49 minus 25, so b is equal to 24. Now case 2, here we can write a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 7. Now adding these two equations, this and this are cancelled out, so here we will get 2a is equal to 14, or divided both sides by 2 we can write here 2a over 2 is equal to 14 over 2, so here we will get a is equal to 7. Now when a is equal to 7 we can write here 7 plus b is equal to 7, 7 plus b is equal to 7, or b is equal to 7 minus 7, so b is equal to 0. So our final answer is a comma b is equal to 25 comma 24 and 7 0. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.